In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to create, customize, and style text. To add text in Premiere Pro, start by placing your playhead where you want the text to appear. Select the Type tool from the toolbar, or press T on your keyboard to select the tool. Then click directly in the program monitor and type your text. This creates a text layer in your sequence that you can edit at any time. You can also create text in the Properties panel. Make sure you have nothing selected in your timeline. You will see a button in the bottom left that says Create New Graphic. That menu will display all your options, including the option to create a text layer. With the text selected in the timeline, use the Properties panel to customize the design. From here, you can change fonts, adjust size, modify colors, and control alignment. Premiere Pro also includes built-in text and title templates in the Graphics Templates panel, allowing you to create professional motion graphics quickly. To see the Graphics Templates panel, use the toolbar at the top to go to Window, Graphics Templates. Switch to the Adobe Stock tab to see all we have to offer. We hope this helps. Subscribe for more Adobe tips.